Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to fix TikTok Shop with date of birth. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. This can also help you fix or change your shop age. So click on this TikTok right here. And then from in here, click on the profile on the bottom. And then on this bottom, you should be able to see your profile for your TikTok Shop. So just head over in here on the three lines. Then from in there, click on settings and privacy. And on this thing, you can actually see a lot of settings right here. So for example, you can try to head over to your account. And on your account, you should be able to see all this. Click on the account information. And in here, you can see the date of birth. So if you try to click on the date of birth, you should be able to see that you can actually change it. So for example, let's change my birthday into July 7, and let's put this around 1980. After that, just click on confirm right here, but make sure to also read this because once you confirm, you can't edit it for a long time and this won't be shown publicly. So make sure that you input the right date, and after that, just click on the confirm button right here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!